Do you know that you can able to get Easy Buy phone without you going to their office by just pressing your phone and collect your Easy Buy phone, or just borrowing phone from someone to collect Easy Buy phone online? Let me show you how to go about it. Okay, if you want to collect Easy Buy phone without going to their office, you have to download Jumia application. After downloading it, you open the application. After open the application, you find the phone that you want to buy, phone or any other thing that you want to buy. So, okay, like this phone. If you want to buy this phone now, okay, add it to cart. Click on add. Okay, so right now, just go to the basket. After coming here, let me remove this thing first. Okay, after coming here is the phone that you add to cart. So you now come and click on checkout. You click on checkout as if you want to buy it with your money. So after coming to this place now, you come and see it options here. So you click on change. So you select you want to pay with bank transfer, you want to pay with PalmPay, or you want to pay with Oppo, or you want to pay with your credit card, or you pay with Easy Buy. Then you click on Easy Buy like this. You click on Easy Buy. After clicking on Easy Buy, you come and click on confirm payment, confirm method, sorry. After clicking on confirm method, you click on confirm order. After clicking on confirm order, you wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, after confirming it, it will bring you to this particular place now. So after coming here, you can see the phone number is there that I use on Easy Buy. After you click on pay now, it's going to use your information that you have used on the other Easy Buy before. Easy Buy account, you use all the information and take you. After clicking on pay now, it will borrow money from that Easy Buy account and pay the Jumia account people. So from there, they will deliver the Easy Buy phone for you. But before they will deliver it, they would have already installed the security plugin on it for you to be paying it. So this is how to go about it. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video and comment if you have any question.